Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is When Gen Z Meets Police.
On March 14th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a high school in response to a report of a man who attempted to force entry and refused to leave the property.
816 with him at about 105. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Were you trying to get into the school just now?
Yeah.
For what?
Why do you care?
You don't go to that school, do you?
I did.
Yeah, but you don't now.
It's illegal for me to get transcripts.
Well, there's a way to do it.
It's illegal for me to get transcripts.
No, but there's a proper way to do it.
Is it illegal for me to get transcripts? Yes or no?
Are you listening? I answer your question.
Listen, you guys already did enough with me. Relax. Go back in your car.
No, I'm not leaving.
Or?
You're not leaving either.
Or?
Because you were trying to get into the school.
For a
Listen. There's a proper way to do it. That's not it.
I asked security, ma'am, sir.
Okay. Did you try the main office? You tried the main office or no? Did you try the main office or no?
Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Yes. Do you understand
me? Thank you very much. What am I being stopped for? What reasonable, articulable suspicion? No, listen, idiot. Listen, idiot. You guys, are you a sarge?
No.
Call your sarge over here.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're gonna call your sarge over here because I asked for it.
No.
Why don't you got your body cam on?
It's on.
All right, listen. Listen, you guys already did enough. You guys have x-ray vision too, just to let you know.
Sure.
Would I get it?
Sure. Yeah, it doesn't bother me. What's your name?
What's your name?
Officer Kirchhoff. What about you?
Curve off. Where do you want me to go?
Just your name.
Yeah, Hamam.
Hamam?
Hamam.
How do you spell the first name?
You asked me too many questions. You asked me for my name.
It's not a. It's not a first name I hear often.
What's up? What's up?
I already told you.
What's your number? Give me your number.
Which number?
Your badge number.
It's right there. What are you looking at?
Your scissors.
You speak to them because you're on the school property.
What do you need? Go watch the property. What? Do I gotta take off the hat and the dress?
No.
Well, you guys think there's bombs under here or something? Like I'm about to press a button, I'm gonna explode?
I got no problem with your clothing, man.
Okay, so what's wrong? What's wrong? I'm an alumni, you idiot.
I need to identify you.
Identify these nuts. That's what you guys can identify. You want to identify these nuts? We can identify.
Yo, that's so crazy.
If it's not illegal.
How do you spell the first name?
Shut
Mujahid?
the front door, sir. Shut the front door.
It's not.
It's down.
It's not a regular spelling.
He got his zipper down.
You got me.
Well, he's laughing, but he about to turn a trespass warning into an arrest, because you don't want to, name, date of birth, so they could get the correct spelling and all that type of stuff or whatever. Like, oh, this is gonna go bad, but I ain't gonna lie though. Identify these nuts was pretty funny though. That was funny. I gotta put that as the title, cause that was insane. he said identify these nuts. Like, yo, that's so crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy right there. That's so disrespectful, man. But hopefully they get him together though, man. Get his attitude right, man.
I mean, it's not down though. Nice try.
Oh, you guys are
Hey, hold up.
What are you gonna do?
You're not going.
You don't expect me to cry.
What's your name?
I'm gonna keep walking.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh, you want me to
What's
touch
your name?
you?
Just give us your name, man.
No.
You want transcripts, right? There's a way to do it. You know the way to do it. This is a 95?
No. What's your ID? We need your trespassing license.
You're not doing shit.
Or we can take you to the station, fingerprint check, if you don't want to give me your ID.
You gonna take me to court?
What's your name? Do you have your ID on you?
What am I getting trespassed for?
Because you're on school property and then I want
Tell these idiots, can I get a sarge here? I need a sarge here. I need a sarge here.
I'm right here, pal.
to stand right here on the sidewalk.
Don't can't touch me.
I can touch you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
So do you have your ID?
Shut the f up. Shut the f up. I need to talk to the sergeant, you idiot.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you right now. You're on a public sidewalk. Shut your mouth and listen to what you're being told. Go ahead.
I need your ID so I can identify you.
I don't got an ID.
Huh?
What am I getting trespassed for?
They don't want you on school
They don't want you on school grounds.
Why?
You're not a student.
What I do?
You don't belong here. They don't want you here.
How old are you? How old are you?
24.
Okay, so you don't go to school here. That's the problem.
I came to get transcripts.
Where'd you graduate from?
Right here.
What school is that?
H.L. Richards.
Okay, you can't get them today.
I went to school here.
That's great. You can't get your transcripts
I
today.
played football here.
That's great.
Can
You
you
can't
tell
get
these
transcripts.
officers?
And the school
Listen.
wants you criminally trespassed. So I have to
Ask
identify.
Schultz. Talk to Schultz. Talk to Schultz.
Okay, you've been trespassed from the school, okay?
So I need your ID.
What do you...
Quit being f***ing gross and looking at me up and down, please.
No. Is that an MRE?
No, it's not.
So you're not getting your transcripts today and you're being trespassed.
Okay, trespassing.
So I need to identify.
I forgot my name.
Nah, this guy is kind of creepy. I'm surprised the fellas ain't say nothing. I know she a lady, she can stand up for herself, but man, these other officers, man, they should have been like, yo, what's good? What's good with your eyes, my guy?
Okay, you've been
Look at
trespassed
this.
from the school, okay?
So I need your ID.
What do you...
Look at this creep.
Gross and looking at me up and down, please.
No. Is that an MRE?
No, it's not.
So you're not getting your transcripts today and you're being trespassed.
Okay, trespassing.
So I need to identify.
I forgot my name.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
I ain't gonna lie, man. Hey, back in corrections, man. Listen, this is one of them correction stories, man. Or, flashback or something. I don't even know. But listen, of course, we got lady COs and stuff like that or whatever, right? But you also have, creeps. There's creeps that's in the jail or they want to do something disrespectful or, maybe if you working in, the cell block or whatever and, maybe the female officer is the officer, your tier or whatever, and she may be walking past and now a guy is saying something creepy or maybe whistling at her or pull out his thing to beat off to her or whatever the case may be. Man, yo. For the guy COs that's there and a female CO is being disrespected like that, boy, that inmate gonna have a long day, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. I gotta keep it 100. You know what I'm saying? We gotta keep it 100. That type of level of disrespect or whatever, and what this guy right here just did, man, is so creepy, man. Cause we think about things like this, like, I got a little sister or whatever, you know what I mean? So it's like, if somebody coming off that disrespectful or whatever, we look at these people as, this could be a sister, this could be a mom, this could be a grandma. Like as a guy, it's like, yo, why is you staring at her all up and down? You crazy? What's up with your eyes? Your eyes is good. Gotta grab them by the, yo, what's good? Your eyes is all right. See, but these, officers is different. Police officers is a lot different. You know why? Because they got them body cams like that, man. But you good? What you looking at, man? You all right? You need some assistance? You might need some medical assistance in a minute. Get them together. What?
That's fine.
I'm gonna bring you to the station so we can identify.
No, I
you.
don't give you permission to take me to the station. What? I did not commit a crime. So what do you guys? What? You guys gonna set me up again like you guys did at Dunkin' Donuts? What?
What are you talking about?
Come on, you know what I'm talking. What? Are you guys gonna leave me alone like you guys left the case when I got shot at? What are you guys gonna do? Come on, arrest me. Arrest me. We got all the. What? You guys got X-ray vision too. Come on, arrest me. X-ray vision. Come on, X-ray vision people.
Hey, we'll find out who you are. We'll find out who you are.
Find out who I am. Come on, take me to the station. If you guys have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I wanted to invade the Richards High School, come on,
Hey,
use your head.
Listen, you've been trespassed from the school. All right?
Give me my paperwork. They know who I am.
I'm not giving you anything. I don't have what you need.
Give me paperwork.
Give you what?
Prove to me that I'm trespassed.
I'm telling you.
I don't care. Your word is not law.
Well, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay. You can leave now.
All right, thank you very much. And I'm not trespassed, too.
Yeah, you are.
I'll be back.
Hey, let me tell you right now. All right? If you step foot in there again,
yeah,
you're going to be put in handcuffs and taken to jail.
Okay.
You understand?
And?
No.
Is your body camera on?
It's on right now. See ya. Don't come back, okay?
Bye. Got you, my son. Bye.
Don't worry about it. We can figure out who he is.
After the man left the area, the school security officer informed the responding officer that they wished to file complaints for disorderly conduct. The security officer explained that the man had attempted to gain entry into the school by trying multiple doors using an old student ID card. When he was not allowed inside, he proceeded onto the football field where students were participating in gym class. His presence disrupted the class and made both students and teachers feel uncomfortable. Officers then relocated the man in order to place him in custody.
31. I got that subject again over here on 10.
Yo, why does kid want to be around kids so much, man? Why you want to be around all these high schoolers? What's good with him? He looking at the lady officers all creepy. He want to be around all these kids. You're 24, man. What's up with him? This is what I mean. There's some creeps, man.
05 and Parkside. Got your ID on you? I gotta identify you because you trespassed.
Where?
From Richards High School.
I don't got my ID on.
So I need to identify you. You gonna tell me your name?
Where's your sergeant? Call your sergeant.
Yes.
Cool.
They're on their way. Well, we gotta identify you. Do you have your name? You give us your name and birthday so we can identify you to criminally trespass you?
You try to run this 28 for me, possibly Illinois tug tag.
We're gonna detain you.
9 R route 68.
Wait until they get here. We're gonna bring you to the station if you want to tell us your name. So I can identify
You
you.
gonna trespass me?
Yeah, from Richards High School. Because I want you trespassing.
And then what? What are you gonna do?
I need to identify you. If I can identify you now.
Do I gotta bail out?
No. If I can identify you right here and now, you don't have to go to the station.
Hold on. Are you guys? Am I gonna be put in a cell?
Oh, this is the same side.
So we can
Come on, don't play with him. Lock him up right now.
Is it on, sir?
Huh? Yeah. You're going to put your hands on
Okay, I'll give you my name.
Good
I'll
job.
give you my name.
No, it's too late. We're past that.
Don't put me in a cell though.
Huh?
Don't put me in a cell though.
Okay.
Make sure number of months on that.
This guy's a weirdo.
Hey, you see this? You idiots. You guys could have just gave me a right to Duncan. You dumbass. You dumbass. I ain't separating shit. No,
I have to search you.
I ain't separating shit. You don't. Hey, I don't give you permission to search too.
Well, I gotta put you in my car. I don't need your permission.
Hold up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick this up. Pick this up. Come on, guys. Stop being idiots. Come on. Put it back in my pocket. Put everything back in my pocket. No weapon.
1040, yes.
Turn off your body cam.
Turned it on.
No one's out to get you, man.
My squares.
I'll pick it up. Let's go.
Hey. Dummy. Oh, shit. You got military expertise, huh? Oh, shit. Give me an AK-47, though. I was just joking. Hey, I was just joking, okay?
This guy's weird.
It's a sexy ass rifle right there. I ain't gonna lie. Okay? What's better, these or an AK-47? Oh shit. No, I'm just saying. Take me in from the front. I didn't commit a crime, buddy. I never ran away too. He told me I was free to go. So just a fingerprint me, right?
We need to identify you.
That's it.
Yeah, until you tell us who you are.
No. Okay.
Hey, we're making this more difficult than it has to.
The man was charged with obstruction, disorderly conduct, and criminal trespassing.
Yeah, this guy is a weirdo. Ah, man, I don't get it. He want to be around all them kids so much. He looking at the ladies mad weird. This guy is he gonna end up going down a dark path. Boy, I could already see it. I could see it. I could see, you know, some of the crimes that he might end up committing or something. I could see it clear as day that something, you know, foul, you know, something foul, messed up. You know what I'm saying? You know, real demon time activities. You know, I could see it. It would not shock me. I ain't gonna lie to you. It wouldn't shock me, man. Anyway, I think the officers did the best job that they could. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.